Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing my jumping spider. I just got it about a month ago and I posted a video of it all set up, but I didn't post a video of me setting it up. And my dog is also right here. Hi Thor. Hi, this is my dog. We put him on YouTube, his name is Thor. But let's get into the unboxing. This guy was a heck to disable. He's huge. The button is still locked in place. Okay, so let's get him set up. Okay, I gotta attach the springs. And now I've got to do the legs. Wait, oh, I'm doing it on the wrong side. Sorry about that. There are some that go in different spots. Oh, okay, I see. So these snap on underneath. Dad, last time we set this up, me and you thought that they snapped on right there, but no, they snap on underneath.
Poppy did it last time, Jack.
Yeah, but when we tried to do it, you thought that it was the opposite way around, that I'm doing it. And you were wrong. This one is not snapped in place. There. Now forward the back leg. And now the front leg.
And don't lose that little key that we need.
I won't, because it's in the front leg. This front leg is complicated. Okay, now I need to get this off of the spider and get it all onto the base. Piece got caught in here. Hold on a second. I think I got it. Okay, I'm confused. Oh, I see. Oh. Oh. Oh, I see. So that. Okay. There we go. That wraps around this part so you can't see it when you're unboxing it. Pretty sure it's supposed to be like that. Sorry that's taking me so long, guys. This piece is stuck on, oh, the spring. I bet I have to attach a spring. Okay, I'm just gonna use scissors to cut that part of the web. That part of the web is not gonna come off. I have to cut it. I dropped my knife scissors. I need the middle ones. These ones. Good on fabric. There. I have to cut that part off. Sorry this is taking so long, guys. I wasn't expecting that to happen today. Okay, I'm confused. Oh no, we're good. Now let's just turn it on. Oh, sorry guys. Redo. I didn't have the springs attached. Let me turn it off. I am going to do another demo, but I forgot to fix its legs. This is why. Never let me be in charge of any animatronics on YouTube. That's why. Okay? Now I'm going to reset him. Don't do that ever again. And that's my jumping spider. Bye.